But there's my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. My German Shepherd Lobo. It's about 5 p.m. or so. Friday, November 3rd. We're out a little later in the day today compared to when we usually go out. Got a snowstorm going on. Beautiful day. Come along. Hey, buddy. See if I can get down here without falling. Come on, Kurgan. So over there playing with a couple ducks. Come on. Kurgan, come on. Good boy. Come on, Kurgan. Come on. Come on. Beautiful down here. I love it when it's snowing down here. Come on, Kurgan. He's down there with those dogs. They don't like him too much. Come on! So you can see even when they see dogs that are assholes, they're still pretty good natured. Better watch out, Lobo will get you. It's alright, I don't mind. Dogs will be dogs. Well, he's a young dog too, so he usually annoys older dogs. Come on, Kurgan. Good boy. Come on. Like I said, they're both pretty good-natured dogs. We run into dogs of all different temperaments down here all the time, and they handle all of them pretty good. Which I'm thankful for, because Kurgan's a huge dog. He would be hard to manage if he was a jerk, which he's not. But I've been socializing him since a very young age. Man, it's just beautiful down here today. Tomorrow I go to a tattoo convention, Saturday, November 4th, up in St. Cloud, and get some new ink done, get my stomach tattoo finished. I'm looking forward to getting that behind me. It's not a real fun spot to get tattooed, though I've got worse spots. Anyways, I'm looking forward to getting it done. Man, it's just beautiful down here. I miss being down here in the winter. There, up there with a bunch of dogs. Making new friends. Kurgan, come here. He's just a large puppy. He's not aggressive at all.
Oh, I know. He doesn't love dogs that are bigger than him.
Sure.
No,
I'll get him by you.
no, Luigi. I know. It's just a weird. Come on, it's okay.
Kurgan, come on.
It's okay.
Hey, Kurgan, come on. Come on. Leave him alone. Again, this is an off-leash wilderness dog park, so there's lots of off-leash dogs here. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, enjoying the weather. Come on. Come on. You guys having fun? You both got a couple big stupid smiles on your face. Dog up through the trees there. If I didn't say so earlier, it's about 30 degrees right now. So nice warm weather. A little warm compared to what we're going to get in another couple months. Come on, Kurgan. Come on. You want me to stop and wait for you?
Hi.
Hi, did you want me to stop so you can grab her?
Why?
Oh, I thought you were going the other way.
Oh, yeah. I definitely want her. Gonna do her thing.
She's cute.
You're the Shepherd Husky or what?
The black one?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got Shepherd, Husky, and Malamute in him.
Oh, okay. What's his name?
Kurgan.
Oh, he's a beautiful dog.
Oh, thank you. He's still a big puppy. He's still got a little filling out to do.
How old is he?
20 months. So he'll fill out till he's about 3.
Oh, really? Oh, this one's yours too?
Yep, that's my German Shepherd. That's Lobo.
Oh, I just made some friends.
Yeah, they all look like they're smiling, so they're having fun.
Oh, yeah. Hey, friend, you shy, huh? You're skittish. Yeah. Oh, it's a good day for running.
Oh, yeah. And my dogs love the winter, too, the snow.
Oh, yeah. It's barely controlled wear in here. You just took right out.
You don't mind me catching her on footage, do
Oh,
you?
no.
I like shooting them running around down here.
YouTubing or what's going on?
Yeah, I upload them to YouTube.
Wow. Laura's gonna be famous.
I got some friends from out of state who like to see them running around down here. How old's your dog?
What's that?
How old is your dog?
She's 2.
2?
Yeah.
Coming up here to shake by me.
Is that one like partially German Shepherd?
This one?
Yeah.
He's all German Shepherd.
Is he?
Yeah, he's a long-coated Shepherd. And he's a Shepherd, Malamute, and Husky. Lobo, play nice.
Oh, there. He's pretty smart.
That's all.